Okay, people, today we're working on a 2012 Acura TSX with a cylinder 3 Misfire P0303, and it is a very dead miss. So I'm going to take out these 4 10 millimeters. That'll get me to the coils. This will be cylinder 3 right here. So what I'm going to do, since I have a scanner, I can read live data. I'm going to switch these 2 coils around for cylinders 3 and 4. And then see if the misfire has moved. So there we go. I got 3 and 4 switched around. I'm going to go inside the car now and see what the scanner says. Okay guys, so I'm using a Alltel scanner. I'm scrolling down to find the misfire table. Misfire, let's see if you can see it. Cylinder 4 is now reading a dead miss. So I just confirmed that it's a bad ignition coil. We're probably going to end up doing all 4 coils and spark plugs, and I will show you that here in a couple minutes. Okay, so we narrowed it down to the ignition coil. I swapped these 2 coils side to side. It's now on cylinder 4. The customer is electing to only do 1 ignition coil and the spark plug, so I'm going to take this one and toss it so it doesn't get mixed up. I'm going to take out the rest of the 10 millimeter bolt. Drop that one. So there we go. I got all 4 of the ignition coils out. Now I'm going to get the spark plugs out, which are a 5/8 socket size. Here's the spark plugs. They look original. As usual, I'll put a link down in the description where you can get the plugs and the coil packs off Amazon. And for this badass little ratchet I've been talking about the last couple videos, this thing's freaking awesome. You've seen it took those plugs out with ease. Okay guys, so I got my 4 brand new Iridium spark plugs. One thing you want to do, especially if you do a lot of spark plugs like us, you want to check, make sure the lengths are the same, just to double check with the right plug. And then when you pull them out of the box, make sure the electrode's not smashed down. I'm going to drop these all straight down in there. Make sure they're all started before I start ratcheting them in. I am going a bit slower, so that way as soon as it hits, I can just crank it a little bit to torque it. It's an aluminum head, so it doesn't call for a lot of torque. Alright guys, I decided not to bore you with me putting all the spark plugs in because my socket kept getting stuck. So we got our new coil. I'm going to drop them in here. And it doesn't matter at all where these go in or where they came out of or where the new one goes. Just put them on in. The electrical connectors will only reach to the coil they're supposed to go to. You'd have to try pretty hard to screw that one up. Got them all plugged in. Just going to run the 4 10mm bolts down. They don't have to be real tight. Now that the 4 bolts are back on, I can put the beautiful Acura cover back on. Uses that style bolt. And there we go, guys. That's how you do spark plugs and a coil on one of these. Also how you diag a P03 100, 301, 302, 303, or 304 code. If you guys find this video useful, please subscribe and make sure you check below at the links, and I'll put links in where you can get the plugs in the coil. Thank you.